Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the interest rate on Macquarie Bank credit card. So according to Bank of Macquarie, there are different types of credit card that they offer. So according to it, the interest rate as well differs. So first of all, go to your browser, open up a link that is www.macquarie.com.au/everydaybanking. It's gonna take you to their official page, which is gonna look something like this. Over here, go to the credit card section, and under it, you can find a list of credit cards that they offer. So, in order to understand this in detail, press Learn More options, and over here you can find the interest rate and all of that. So you can go and read all of these, and as mentioned earlier, that they offer a variety of different cards. So you have to go one after the another in order to go into the details about the particular card. So you can find it right on this page regarding the interest fees, all of that. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.